Hey there, I'm making this quick video of your Neptune 3 Pro is not printing and how you can possibly fix the issue. So there was this post on a Reddit that he said here that it contained a Lego and they asked to upgrade the firmware. I thought I had news as I was only able to find 1.5, but there is a newer one. So there is a new firmware that you can try to use. And after they've upgraded it, I noticed that the temperature was minus 15 on the startup. Haven't seen that one before. I turned it off, removed the cable on the extruder, plugged it back in, started printer, and the next 24 long print worked just fine. So this is something that you can try. I'm going to link you the link down below in the description for the firmware from the GitHub, and I hope it's going to fix the issue for you. And if you want to know how to do it, there is like also plenty of guides how you can like update it firmware, the step by step, and how you can do it. So I just want to make this quick video that possibly is going to fix the issue for you. So have a great day and goodbye.